Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of X Twitter. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we go down until you find this window of X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. In this page of app info, in this page of storage, we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.